In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a bar graph or bar chart in Microsoft Word. It's a simple process, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create and customize your own bar chart. So let's get started right away. First, you'll need to open up your Word document. Once you're there, head over to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. You'll see various options, but what you want to focus on is the Chart button. Click on that and a menu will appear with different chart types. From this menu, select the bar chart option. After you choose that, hit OK to insert the chart into your document. Now the bar chart will pop up on your page, but it won't have any data yet. To input your own data, simply click on the chart itself. This will open up an Excel-like window where you can enter your data. You can change the title of the chart by clicking on the default title, which is often something like Sales, and typing in whatever title you prefer. Next, if you'd like to add or change data labels, click on the chart again and you'll see a small plus sign appear on the right side of the chart. Tap that plus sign and you'll see several options. One of them is Data Labels. Click on it to add labels that will display the values for each bar in your chart. If you want to adjust the data shown in the chart, you can do so in the data table at the bottom of the screen. Simply replace the numbers in the cells with your own data. It's that easy. Another cool feature is the ability to change the type of bar chart. To do this, right-click on the chart and from the drop-down menu, select Change Chart Type. You'll then see different styles of bar charts to choose from. Whether you need a stacked bar chart, a 3D bar chart, or a simple clustered bar chart, you can pick the one that suits your needs best. Finally, if you'd like to customize the colors of your bars, click on the chart, then tap on the Format tab in the toolbar. From there, click on Change Colors and a palette of color options will appear. Select the one that looks best for your chart. And that's it! You've now learned how to create, customize, and personalize a bar chart in Microsoft Word. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, let me know in the comments below. Give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Be sure to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.